In the relentless pursuit of knowledge, a student's mind is their greatest asset. But the path to academic excellence is demanding, a marathon of late-night study sessions, looming deadlines, and the constant pressure to perform. In this modern arena of intellect, we often forget that the secrets to peak performance might not lie in the latest app or energy drink, but in ancient wisdom, passed down through generations. Today, we uncover the golden secret that has powered minds for centuries: turmeric. This vibrant, golden-hued spice, a cornerstone of traditional medicine, holds a powerful compound called curcumin. Think of curcumin as your brain's personal trainer and bodyguard, all rolled into one. For students, this is a game changer. The first major challenge for any learner is focus and memory. Countless hours are spent trying to absorb and retain complex information. This is where turmeric steps in. Curcumin has been shown to boost levels of a brain hormone called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein is crucial for the survival of existing neurons and encourages the growth of new ones, a process vital for learning and memory. Imagine it as laying down new neural pathways, making it easier for information to travel and stick. Studies suggest that regular consumption can lead to noticeable improvements in memory and attention, helping you not just study harder, but smarter. But the student life isn't just a mental challenge, it's a physical one too. The stress, the lack of sleep, the occasional poor dietary choices, it all adds up, leading to inflammation. This isn't just about sore muscles. Chronic low-level inflammation can affect everything, including your brain function, leading to brain fog and fatigue. Curcumin is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory agents. It works at a molecular level, helping to soothe this internal fire. By reducing inflammation, you're not just protecting your body. You're clearing the fog from your mind, allowing for sharper, more lucid thinking, even after a long day of lectures. It helps your body and brain recover, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle another day of learning. Let's talk about mood. The pressure of exams and the social complexities of student life can be a heavy burden, often leading to feelings of anxiety or being overwhelmed. Your mental well-being is the foundation of your success. Here too, turmeric offers a gentle, natural support. Curcumin has been found to boost the neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. These are your brain's feel-good chemicals, responsible for regulating mood and promoting feelings of positivity and well-being. Think of it as a natural mood brightener. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can help you maintain a more balanced and optimistic outlook, giving you the mental resilience to navigate the ups and downs of your academic journey. It's about building a strong mental foundation so you can perform at your best, without letting stress get the upper hand. Now, you might be wondering, how do I bring this ancient super spice into my modern student life? It's far easier than you think. You don't need to be a gourmet chef. The beauty of turmeric lies in its versatility. One of the simplest and most comforting ways is by making a golden milk latte. Just warm up a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, and whisk in a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, which is crucial as it dramatically increases curcumin absorption, and maybe a little honey or cinnamon for taste. It's the perfect warm, soothing drink to wind down with before bed or to start your morning with intention. For a quick energy boost, try adding a half teaspoon of turmeric to your morning smoothie. It blends seamlessly with fruits like mango, pineapple, and banana, adding a powerful nutritional punch without overpowering the flavor. Imagine starting your day with a drink that not only tastes great but also fuels your brain for the lectures ahead. It's a simple habit that can make a profound difference. You can also sprinkle it into your everyday meals. Add it to scrambled eggs or tofu, stir it into a pot of rice or quinoa to give it a beautiful golden color and an anti-inflammatory kick. Mix it into soups, stews, or even your oatmeal. It's about making small, consistent additions that compound over time, building a healthier, more resilient you. The journey of a student is a unique chapter in life, a time of immense growth, challenge, and discovery. It demands everything you have: your intellect, your energy, and your spirit. To meet these demands, you need to arm yourself with the best tools available. Turmeric isn't a magic pill, but it is a powerful, natural ally. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes, the most profound solutions are the ones that have stood the test of time. By weaving this golden thread of ancient tradition into the fabric of your modern life, you are not just enhancing your ability to learn. You are investing in your long-term health and well-being. You are building a foundation of vitality that will support you not just through your exams, but throughout your entire life. Embrace the power of gold. Unleash your potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on how to thrive.